Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, The Gene AI. In today's video, we'll be exploring the 12 best AI tools that are making waves in 2024. From powerful language models to innovative automation solutions, we've got it all covered. So let's dive right in. First on our list is GPT-4, the latest release from OpenAI. Known for its incredible natural language processing capabilities, GPT-4 is a powerhouse when it comes to understanding and generating human-like text. It's perfect for content creation, writing assistance, and much more. Next up, we have UiPath, a leading robotic process automation (RPA) tool. UiPath is designed to automate repetitive tasks, making it an invaluable resource for businesses looking to increase efficiency and reduce manual workloads. Google Cloud AI Platform comes in at number 3, offering a comprehensive suite of AI and machine learning tools. From building and training models to deploying them at scale, Google Cloud AI Platform provides a seamless end-to-end experience. Number 4. Bard, developed by Google AI, is an AI-powered tool that aids in content creation. Whether you're a writer looking for inspiration or a content creator seeking assistance, Bard can help generate creative ideas and enhance your writing. Number 5. Jasper is an exciting AI tool that specializes in voice recognition and natural language understanding. It's perfect for applications such as virtual assistants, voice commands, and interactive voice response systems. Number 6. Midjourney is a cutting-edge AI tool focused on computer vision. With advanced image recognition capabilities, Midjourney is ideal for industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and retail, where visual data analysis is crucial. Number 7. Runway ML is a creative toolkit that allows artists, designers, and developers to integrate machine learning models into their projects. It's user-friendly and opens up new possibilities for incorporating AI into the creative process. Number 8. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex, is an AI-powered code completion tool. It helps developers by suggesting whole lines of code, making the coding process faster and more efficient. Number 9. DeepL is a top-notch AI language translation tool. It utilizes deep learning techniques to provide accurate and natural translations across multiple languages, making it a must-have for global communication. Number 10. Canva, with its AI-driven design features, revolutionizes the way we create visual content. From social media graphics to presentations, Canva's intelligent design tools simplify the creative process for everyone. Number 11. Shortly AI is a powerful writing assistant that utilizes AI to generate high-quality content. It's perfect for bloggers, marketers, and anyone looking to enhance their writing productivity. Number 12. Rounding off our list are 3 unique tools: Rephrase.ai for AI-generated video content, Murph for AI-generated music, and Playground for experimenting with various AI models. These tools showcase the diverse applications of artificial intelligence in different creative domains. And there you have it, the 12 best AI tools for 2024. From GPT-4 to innovative tools like Jasper and Runway ML, the AI landscape continues to evolve, offering exciting possibilities for various industries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited about. Thanks for watching and